Good morning, Manan, to all. Today we are going to discuss about the internetworking concepts in advanced networks. So first, what is internetworking? So it is the process of technique of connecting different networks by using intermediary devices such as routers or gateway devices. So, some primary goal of internetworking is to hide the details of underlying network hardware while providing universal communication services. So, the primary result of this internetworking is high level abstraction. So, why we achieved this high level abstraction means it provides the framework for all design decisions. So, this is about the internetworking concepts. So, the next level of this internetworking concept is application level interconnection. So, in this application level, there are two different approaches to hide the details of network. So, first one is by using application programs to handle the heterogeneity or hiding details in the operating systems. So, these are the two different approaches to hiding the network details. Early heterogeneous networks interconnections provided uniformity through application level programs called application gateways. For example, some electronic mail systems consist of mail programs that are each configured to forward a memo to the mail program on the next computer. So, the path from source to the destination may involve different networks, but that does not matter as long as the mail systems on all the machines cooperate by forwarding each message. So, next point of this application level interconnection is adding new functionalities to the system. It means building a new application program for each computer. The next one is adding new hardware, network hardware. That means modifying existing programs, that means or creating new programs for each possible application. So, this is what application level interconnection. The third level is network level interconnection. So, here the network level interconnection, you can send the data from one place to another place. That means one location to another location. That means the alternative to providing interconnection with application level programs is a system based on network level interconnection. A network level interconnection, it provides a mechanism that delivers small packets of data from their original source to their destination without using intermediate application programs. It can switch small units of data instead of files or large messages, has several advantages. So, it may have several advantages like the scheme maps directly onto the underlying network hardware. It makes for this directly mapping, it make it extremely efficient. The next advantage is Network level interconnection separates data communication activities from application programs and also permits intermediate computers to handle network traffic without understanding the applications that are sending or receiving it. The next advantage is using network connections keeps the entire system flexible. That means making it possible to build general purpose communication facilities. The fourth advantage is it allows network managers, that means to add new network technologies by modifying or adding a single piece of a new network level software while application programs remains unchanged. So the design of universal network level interconnection can be found in an abstract communication systems concept known as the internetworking. So the next level of the internetworking is design of communication systems. There are two fundamental observations about the design of communication systems. No single network hardware technology can satisfy all the constraints, that means speed, distance and cost. The next one is users desire universal interconnection. Therefore, we need a unified cooperative interconnection of networks which supports a universal communication service. New software inserted between the technology dependent communication mechanism and the application programs will make the collection of networks appear to be a single large network. The next one is properties of the internet. So what are the properties we have to follow in the internet, that is design of the internet? Do not want to require users to understand the hardware details. Do not want to mandate which hardware to use. Do want to allow users to connect with computers that are not directly connected. Do want to allow users to connect to all others connected to the internet. So these are all the properties of the internet while connection of the computers. So thank you so much.